If your chainsaw's cutting slow, don't worry. You can get it razor sharp again in just a few minutes. Today I'm using the Rotatech file kit because it's got everything you need in one place, and it's perfect for when you're out in the field. Let's get started. Pop the chain brake on, ensure it's being held firmly, and mark the cutter you want to start with a pen. This ensures you can keep track and don't end up sharpening the same tooth twice. Now we're on to the sharpening. You can sharpen with just the round file, but using the file holder keeps your angle spot on. Line up the marks on the holder and push the file through the tooth in smooth forward strokes. Only ever cut on the forward stroke and lift off on the way back. Don't drag it backwards, keep it smooth and consistent. Now, how do you know it's sharp? If the edge reflects light, it's dull. And if the light disappears, it's sharp. That's simple. Move the chain forward, repeat on each cutter, then flip your chainsaw to do the other side. And that's it. You can find the file kit in the description below, as well as the link to the Rotatech website, which sells all the chainsaw gear you need. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the Rotatech channel. We've got loads of practical tips for beginners and for arborists alike. See you in the next video.